with the pen stylus, how thick can material be for us to get a good CNC file? Well, let's start with just a piece of paper. Digitize my pattern. And yes, paper worked just fine, goes right through paper. Now let's try a 1/4" cardboard. I'm going to click stop and start. This is a 1/4" cardboard. Trace my pattern. And yes, it works just great. Now let's try a 1/2" wood. Click stop and start. Trace my pattern with the 1/2" wood. And yes, it worked just great. Now let's try 1" wood. I'm going to click stop and start. And trace the 1" wood. And no, it could not handle 1". So the pen stylus can trace materials up to about 3/4 of an inch. Thank you.